Hey everyone, welcome back to our eBay Flips channel. So for today, we got 28 deals for you, 21 coming from eBay OA, and then 7 coming from eBay RA. So let's check some of the few samples that we got today. Starting off with Smith's, that you could buy this Instax mini photo album with 9.99 pounds and sell it for 20 pounds. Another one is this playseat floor mat that you could buy for 18 pounds and sell it for 47 to 57 pounds. Let's check some other samples. This Sony Shrek deal that you could buy for 12.74 and sell it for 27 pounds. So here are the rest of the websites that you should check today and with freshly sourced deals that we got today. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you some options: review giveaways, affiliate income, bounty bonus, and job opportunities. So if you're interested, feel free to check these channels out. A bot-operated channel that we got for you is this price drop monitoring, that you could see all the latest deals and price drop of these websites, just like this sample, 40% to 70 or 80% price drops waiting for you. So check out the rest of the items and the rest of the websites that we got. Another bot-operated channel is this Amazon to eBay leads, wherein you could see all the latest deals from Amazon that you could sell to your eBay account. And lastly, your general community that you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share your achievements with. That would be all for recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day. Bye, everyone.